Hey guys, me again. Today we are here with Black and White Legendary Treasures Pokemon cards. I haven't done too much research into these. They just looked super awesome. So I got a bunch of packs and I'm going to make some videos and open them for you guys. So let's get started. Yeah, I've been collecting Pokemon cards since I was a kid and I've always loved them, and I'm sure that is the case for a lot of you. Sawaddle, Gothita, T-Pig, Croagunk, Gothita in reverse hollow foil, Empoleon, he's a rare one, Piplup, uncommon, and he's got kind of a faded sparkle to him, Minccino, Gothorita, Sableye, and the promotion card. Moving on to the second pack. Alright, we got a Gothita again, Minccino, Oshawott, Natu, Rayquaza, yeah, that's right, rare hollow foil. Ninetales is another rare. Very nice look. Ooh! A full art Reshiram with a sparkle to it. Very nice. So that's 3 rares in this pack. Sorry. Ursaring, Bianca, Pignite, and the promotion card. So I'm going to go ahead and set those ones aside. That was a really good pack. Quite impressed with that. And I'm opening the third pack here out of 4. What to do? There we go. Ralts, Snivy, Sawaddle, Woobat, Mewtwo, very cool art, reverse hollow foil. Tangrowth, he's a rare as well. Cinccino, it's got the, can't really see it. There you go. Sparkle to it. It's an uncommon, not rare. Servine, Carnivine, took me a minute to get that one. And Crustle, and then our promotion card. So we'll set that aside. And on to our last pack. Oh. Alright. Tympole, Magikarp, Charmander, everyone's favorite starter Pokemon. Everybody picked Charmander at the beginning of the Pokemon, if you're old enough to remember the 90s and Game Boy originals. So much fun. Dino, Zekrom, very good card, him and Reshiram. Holofoil. Mismagius, rare. Mew EX, fantastic full art on that one. Also rare. Elsa, Prinlup, and Emolga. Let's take another look at that. Very nice art. What a way to finish. Awesome. There's going to be more of those videos, so keep your eyes open for those, and thank you very much for joining.